We are here at the project site for Ikpako-Ajoki Road. It's a 16.7, almost 17 kilometer road, and it consists of removal of unsuitable, filling with fresh material. Then on top of that, we put a base layer of 15 cm of crushed rock, which will now be later primed and topped up with 50 cm of asphalt. So that's basically where we are. As at now, contractor has been able to lay about 4.5 kilometers of crushed rock and an additional 500 meters of earthfill. The intention now is to progress by quickly protecting the crushed rock that we have laid, such that we don't have a situation where the rainy season washes that off.
This is a very important road project. Important from two or more perspectives. First, we have an oil exploration company, an oil producing company that's operating close by around Ajoki. But because they had no road from Edo State, they used to go to Delta State to access their facility in Edo State. And I've said, under my watch as a governor, it will not happen. That's why we are, for instance, constructing the road from Sobe to Sabogidaura and stop us from going into Ondo State to come back to Edo State. So this road is important for us because an economic activity that is being undertaken in Edo should be accessed from Edo State. The second reason why this is important is that it is a very unique financing structure that we are using for this road project. It is an arrangement, financing arrangement between the Edo State Ministry of Roads and Bridges, SOPADEC, and Sahara Energy. And because of this financing arrangement, the underlying owners or financiers need to be informed and shown what their money is being used for. So that's why we brought Chief Executive of Sahara, who was here about almost 6 or 9 months ago with the GMD of NNPC to flag off this road. So in our normal briefings and meetings on the update of the project, he kindly accepted to join us to come on site to see how far they have gone, how their money is being spent, because in Edo State, we are a very accountable government. Every kobo we earn from whatever source, we know it's our responsibility to account for it. So he has come himself to see not only the extent of work that has been done, but why the road is as expensive as it is. It's just not a normal road where you just grade and stabilize and put asphalt on. Because of the nature of the soil here, you can see they have to go as low as 1 meter, excavate the clay materials, then backfill solid, laterite materials to stabilize the road before they can now put in the asphalt. Otherwise, it would not last. It would be like the main road we pass through coming here. So we want to thank the CEO of Sahara Group and for support on this project. And I'm sure with what you have seen, you are convinced that the right things are being done and money is being well spent.
Thank you very much. First of all, Excellency, I want to apologize that the GCEO of NNPC could not be here today, but I would obviously talk on his behalf as well. I want to first thank you for the opportunity to build this road. You know, when you had said we should come and see what has been done, for us, we thought, like some of the other projects we've done, it will not be this good. We've gone far, but like you said to the contractor, not far enough. We want to try and ensure that our legacy, alongside your legacy, because whilst we are contributing to this project, we're not the biggest contributor. It is Edo State and its partners who are actually doing more. But for us, we're happy and overjoyed, and it's an honor and privilege to contribute with the community, with the government, and with the people of Edo State to bring progress. We will not just want to take, we want to deliver. We want to ensure this relationship is symbiotic. We want to ensure that history will judge all of us well, that we're not just here to exploit, we're here to add value. And to add value, we must make a difference. And hopefully this road will be some part of that difference. There's a lot more you have spoken to us about, which we will be happy to work with you, the government and people of Edo State with. But let's just say, this beginning is encouraging. Thank you for the privilege, the opportunity, and we look forward to doing more. And we thank you for your accountability.
I want to use this opportunity to thank His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Edo State, Mr. Nowolase Obaseki. Sir, I thank you, sir, for this project. As you can see, I have no more to say, but as you can see, the development that this road is going to give to our neighboring community, to us, is a good development. We thank you, sir. Please, sir, we don't want to see that this project is tomorrow being abandoned, sir. We want you to put your more effort so that this road will be a completed one and it will be another plus for you, sir, for our area. Sir, they say Oliver asked for more. Oliver Twist asked for more. As you were coming, you can see some of the electricity that the government have used their own money to put on ground. But as we speak, you can see all those poles are down. We don't just the storm breeze that is pulling it down. So if supposing the line was in order, I think that kind of things will not have happened. Sir, I want to use this opportunity to say that you can do more. You have been doing it before. I know you will do it again.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Edo State, and other entourage here present, we want to appreciate your presence with us here today. Where we want to thank you for your giant fight, for all the projects that you have undertaken in this area, like the Gelegele Seaport. This road that is, by the time this road is completed, is going to be a very big plus to your administration. Because all this while, people in this interior have been finding it so difficult to come to this place. So by the time this road is opened up, so it will be a very big privilege to our people here. And the seaport that you started, we want to pray that please endeavor to make sure you do something good before the expiration of your office, so that at the end, our people here will not be living here to Benin, and here will be another moving here. I still want to appreciate you for even as you try to protect our forestry. That I heard you set up a committee to monitor the forestry. All these areas have been big forests. You see that they are all degraded. So we want to thank you for that giant move to protect it. And what I want to plead, all of us are crying the same cry in this road. If you meet the woman, meet the man in this road, all our problem lies on this Ekehuan road. I do remember that when you came for your campaign at Ologba Primary School, you did promise us that before the expiration of your tenure, you are going to give us a tie road from Benin down to Gelegele and Ekehuan River. And as we stand here, the construction company that's handling this road now, they have not gone anywhere. And there's no hope that before your expiration of your tenure, that we'll have a tie road here. So please, sir, if there's anything you can do, please. I understand that even when you came here now, you've already told this present construction company here that you should do some palliatory measure. Palliatory will not take us anywhere, because after the season, we'll see return to where we are. So on terms of security, I want to appreciate you for, if not for these vigilantes that you have put up, community vigilante, that is what is sustaining us here. That's making us to resist all these hoodlums. As we speak, our area is very free because of your effort.
The communities for the support and cooperation that you have continued to give us. We, as a government, don't say things we will not do. We don't make promises we don't keep. I am giving you my word. Before I leave office, the stretch from the Gelegele River to Ekehuan Barracks will be completed. That is, we have 2 dry seasons left. We will use those 2 dry seasons to make sure we complete this road. Please continue to give us your support. Continue to maintain the peace, because without peace, we cannot do much in terms of development.